Hi guys, welcome. I'm back in my setup, I guess. Regular setup. Yeah, it is a Friday in my life. So I'm filming a brand video. Well, I filmed it yesterday and turned it in, but they are requesting some reshoots. So some compliance things that the brand needs. So I need to reshoot like just a little section of it and then change a part of my voiceover. So it's not too bad. But I am gonna try to get that done as soon as possible. But first things first, I gotta do my makeup to kind of match yesterday's makeup because I gotta rewear the same outfit to kind of flow. These are the parts of UGC and content creation that are kind of, you know, annoying but part of the job. It's taking notes and fixing them. It's really not that bad, but it can be slightly annoying at times. But luckily this isn't like a bad reshoot and it's at home, so I don't have to go anywhere. So yeah, let's do my skincare and stuff. I decided to turn my camera on because I haven't filmed with you guys since I got back, which, to be fair, I literally just got back. So we were supposed to go to the gym today, so I have like my gym outfit on. Let me know down below if you think wearing a skirt to the gym is risque, because I was having that conversation with my man. He thinks it's a little inappropriate, and I think it's cute because it has shorts underneath, obviously. This is Fruity as vitamin C. I've been using it and I actually really like it. I got this for a brand job that I did. Look at my skin. It just immediately glows right after that. Little lip balm. And then I have a Fabletics post to film today as well, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that too. And then we were supposed to go to the gym today, but we're both like not in the mood. So I think we're gonna wait till Monday because it is Friday and we only go to the gym like Monday through Friday. So maybe what I'll do today is I'll go on a walk. Maybe I'll do like something light. Maybe I'll go play pickleball. I don't know. Kiehl's. I didn't travel with this, so I haven't used it in a while. And I have a couple of like makeup videos and stuff that I want to film. So let's get through this and then we'll see what we do. I loved using this SPF while on vacay. But right before I left, I did the little acne clinic checker, like if it's pore clogging. And I had some items in my regular skincare routine that were coming up as pore clogging, that has pore clogging ingredients. But some of them, I swear, like I've worn them for like a while and I've never noticed it like breaking me out. But now, you know, like when you know something and now it kind of like bothers you, now I'm like not sure if I want to use it just in case it does break me out. I mean, I don't know. I have pretty sensitive skin. By the way, I literally love my ring. It is so beautiful with my wedding ring. I feel like it's just like perfect. Let's do like the quickest makeup known to man so I can shoot that video, and then I'm gonna shoot Fabletics, and then I'll see if I'm gonna shoot that other video. I have some products that I want to try. So Bare Minerals sent me their SPF, Dewy Skin SPF. They sent me this like right before I was about to leave. I actually traveled with it because I thought, oh, that'd be cool to like film a brand video while on vacation. I did not. And I did the exact same thing with this Lawless powder. I really wanted to try it, so I traveled with it, did not use it. And also Maybelline sent me some mascaras. I don't think they're new mascaras, but I have to see the type of video they want me to shoot because like it looked very specific. I've been obsessing over this blush. This is my wedding blush and I genuinely love it. I think it's so good. It's so pretty. It's like shimmery but not too shimmery. It's colorful but not too colorful. Just gonna shoot that video and be done with it. But now I'm gonna shoot Fabletics. I've been loving working with Fabletics. I'm currently wearing Fabletics. I actually love the quality. If you've never gotten anything from Fabletics, I'm genuinely surprised. I've been working with them for a couple months now and they're really good. And I'm not saying that. I think one of my favorite things is that I just feel so abundant. Everywhere I look, there's so much. By the way, some of the things I got from my like wedding makeup have become my favorites. This is one of them. This is the Candy Glaze YSL in the shade 15. Now I already had another one that they sent to me like a while back. I worked with YSL Beauty. They sent me a couple of their lippies and I knew I really liked the formula, but I picked this up in shade 15 and it's become my obsession. It's so good, and yeah, I can pull it up more, but I don't want to because I don't know, it gives me anxiety when it's too high. Same goes with like the lip liner that I'm wearing. Like there's so many good products that I tried for my wedding, and I don't know, I just feel really grateful because I feel like my makeup turned out fabulous that day. The only thing was I wish I traveled with the little mascara, like that little tool that you can like fix clumps, because at the bottom it got a little clumpy, but I think I fixed it right on time, like right before I left. If you're getting married, waterproof. Even if you think you're not gonna cry, like I didn't think I was gonna cry, but I did. It was like so bad. And this mascara has been my go-to. This is not waterproof. This is just the L'Oreal Panorama, but it's so pretty. Like literally your lashes but better is what I would call this mascara. Man, my husband, oh my god, I love saying that. So I need my husband's help for today's video because it's like a product that I can't, like you need to have somebody to help you. And I told him I had to like reshoot and he's like, ugh. Come on, you just gotta like, he just has to be in it for like a couple seconds. Like literally, I need basically 5 to 10 seconds of footage. It's really not that long. All right, I think this is it. I'm gonna spray my face. This has been my new obsession. This is my favorite setting spray and I bought it for the wedding and I'm obsessed with it. I have been using it non-stop. It's just like the best setting spray in my opinion. It sets your makeup, but it makes your face look glowy. So it's so good. And I always forget to put it on before the mascara, but I think I'm gonna be okay. So let's spray it. I look good. I gotta go put my hair up and shoot this video and I'll see you guys in a little while. All right, hopefully I have you guys on the right setting. I'm gonna check, actually let me check real quick. I don't know what happened, but I accidentally changed the settings on you guys. So I don't know if this is the settings that I normally like or what, but anyways, I'm on my way out. Here's outfit of the day. I feel like you guys look really extra wide today, but anyways, hat is Lululemon, top is from Fabletics. I'm on a Fabletics run right now. I'm obsessed with their stuff. Like I said, I've partnered with them, so hashtag Fabletics partner. And then skirt is from Ross. I'm gonna go put some sandals on and then I'm good to go. My man has my shoes. I think I'm wearing these Steve Madden ones. They're cute. So let's go. It's literally so hot. I kind of wish I brought I think I have one in the car, but let's go. We're gonna go get some snacky Hoagies. Or actually some lunch, technically. So what's the sandwich that we get called here?
Old school Italian.
Old school Italian. So if you're ever in this area, this is like West Exton or Westchester? Exton area. Come to Lorenzo's on the east side and get yourself an old school Italian. It's so good. I also like the burgers from here with bacon. Oh my gosh, they are so incredible. And the fries.
It's actually Westchester.
Oh, it's Westchester? Just kidding. Westchester. Alright, so we picked up these One Piece cards. We've been wanting to get into collecting One Piece, and you know my man, he's really into Pokemon right now. He really had to chill because he came here yesterday and he bought some stuff. So I think he showed a lot of restraint today. But yeah, we grabbed these, so I'm excited. They got some really cool art in these too. So let me know if you collect Pokemon, One Piece. What is your collection situation? Let me know in the comments. Okay, we just got home and we're gonna open our One Piece cards. I'm gonna set you down right here and I'm gonna fill in the comments. Go. Ooh, that's so cool. I've never seen these before.
Octoballoon.
Epsilon. I don't know any of these guys. I'm a Kiwi. Vegan Punk. It's his tongue out. It's hilarious.
Vegapunk.
Got some cool cards. Ooh, Kuro. You remember him from season 1?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Nami!
Nami!
Oh!
Oh, super cool.
That's really cool, actually. Whoa, Rare Norzor.